Hello friends, welcome to my channel Incredible Brothers, and today in this video I will tell you how to make JARVIS personal assistant in Python. So the first step is to download the Python, which you can go to the python.org and you can download it from there. You have to go to the downloads, and if Windows, Mac OS and other platforms, mine is Windows, so I will go to Windows, and then you have to go to the latest Python 3 release, Python 3.8.3, and download the Windows x86 executable installer. I have already installed. Then you will get here 4 things: ideal Python and these 3 manual module docs. You have to open ideal Python. And you have to open a new file, and now I will start typing the JARVIS, and for that you also need the command prompt. So the first thing you have to download is pip. You have to write pip I install, sorry, I will write in small letters, pip I install pyttsx3. So you have to download this, and some things will be downloaded. Mine is already downloaded, so it is saying requirement already satisfied. And you will need some more things such as pip install speech, and then big R, C recognition, RECOGNITION, and you have to enter this, and some things will be downloaded. Mine is already downloaded, so it is saying requirement already satisfied. And the last thing is pip install Wikipedia. You have to download this also. Mine is already downloaded, so it is saying requirement already satisfied. So now I will cut it and I will start writing the things. First I will import pyttsx3. It helps the JARVIS to speak. Next I will import speech recognition, and there are many things to import. The speech recognition helps to recognize what the things we say. Next I will import date time, which will tell you the time and greet you accordingly. Next is import Wikipedia. It will tell you the things taken from the Wikipedia and tell you in here only. Then import web browser. Next import OS. OS helps to do the things on your Windows only, such as change the folder name and etc. And then import SMTPLIB. So now we will start all the things for JARVIS. First is the voices, what it will speak and how it will speak. So engine is equals to pyttsx3, which I have imported there, .init p5, and then in the next line you have to write voices. Voices is equal to engine get property voices. Then engine dot set property, and then bracket, inverted comma, voice, and then inverted comma, then comma, and voices ID 0 dot ID. Next you have to So now we will write the commands to make the Jarvis speak. The command will be def speak audio bracket close and then inverted comma colon and then engine dot say audio. So now one more line, engine dot run and wait. So you have to write and A bigger and W bigger and then bracket close and open. Then you have to go to some lines and then we will start the Jarvis main things. First the wish me function, def wish me, it will wish you accordingly the time, then semicolon, then R is equals to int date time dot date time dot now and then bracket open bracket close and then dot R and bracket close. So next we will write if R is equals to 0 and R 12 speak good morning. And then this close and bracket close. So when it will be, the time will be 0 to 12, it will speak good morning. Next we will write elif R equals to 12 and R 18 speak good afternoon. Next we will write for the good evening, we will write else speak good evening. Now we will write what it will speak after the wish me function. So we will write speak I, you can change it to anything, I am Jarvis sir, tell me how may I help you, and then inverted comma and then bracket close. Next we will write the main function that lets the Jarvis recognize our voice and then do the command. So we will write def take command and then semicolon R is equals to SR dot, we write speech recognition as SR, so I will write here import speech recognition as SR dot, I will write SR dot recognizer and GNIZER, and then bracket close, bracket open, and then with SR dot microphone as source, and then inverted semicolon, print listening. Means when it will be taking the command, it will print listening, it will listen the things. Then R dot pause there THRE, sorry, is equals to 1, audio is equals to R dot listen source. Next we will write all its commands, that what will it do when we say anything. Then I will write try print recognizing, and then bracket close, then query is equals to R dot recognize Google audio language is equals to en dash in. Then I will write accept exception as E. Mean it will write exception as E. Then print say that again please. Mean it will, if it will not recognize what we are saying, then it will say that again please. Then return query. Next we will do all its commands. Def send email to content server is equals to smtplib dot smtp in bigger letters, then smtp dot gmail.com, and you have to write it in the commas, inverted commas, then comma 587, and then bracket close. Then you have to write server dot ehlo, and then bracket open, bracket close, then server dot start tls, bracket open, bracket close, server dot login, and then your email ID. So I will not write, I will write So I will just write here your email @gmail.com, and then one more inverted comma, then comma, and then again inverted comma, then your password. Then server dot send mail, and then the one whom you have to send the mail, you have to write his email ID here. I will write your email @gmail.com, to content. Then we'll write if. No, before it we will write server dot close bracket open bracket close, and then we will write the other things. If name is equals to main, we will write it in inverted commas, two inverted commas. And then semicolon, then wish me bracket open bracket close, and then while true, query is equals to take command bracket open bracket close dot lower bracket open bracket close. Then we will write its command if Wikipedia in query, then speak searching Wikipedia, and then 3 dots, and then query is equals to query dot replace and then Wikipedia dot and then results is equals to Wikipedia dot summary query sentences. This is how many sentences you need. I will write 5, and then speak according, I will write it in inverted comma, according to Wikipedia, then print results, and then speak results. So this was our Wikipedia. Now we will write some more commands. Elif open YouTube in query, web browser dot open youtube.com, then then elif, open Google, web browser dot open google.com. So you can do anything, any of the website you can add here. Now I will tell you the play music query. Play music no comma, play music in query semicolon music dir is equals to, then you have to tell the folder where your folder is and where is the music. So I will open my computer. I will go to my songs and I will copy this, or I can go to one more here and then copy, and then I will paste it here with one inverted comma, and then I will write songs is equals to os dot list dir music dir, and then print songs, and then os dot start file os dot path dot join music dir songs, and then 0 and then 2 brackets. So this was the music command. Now we will write time command. It will tell the time. elif the time in query str t time is equals to date time dot now date time dot date time dot now, and then bracket open bracket close, and then dot str f t time, and then bracket, then inverted comma, then percentage sign h big H, then percentage n, then percentage s, and then inverted comma, then bracket close, and then speak and f, then inverted commas, sir, the time is str str time, then bracket close, and then inverted comma, then this. And next, your whole Jarvis is now made. It is a very good Jarvis. I will show you how it will work in my next video. So you can add more commands here. You can also do the email command here, and you can add any of the website in it, web browser, and you can add more things. So this was my video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and comment if you want to try to help us.